Let me show you how to set up a secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11, also S11 Ultra. So if you go in the settings, click in security and privacy settings, and over here more security settings, click secure folder, and you see you can set it up here first. So let's go through this stuff. This might take up to half a minute, so simply wait a bit. It will ask you to create basically a way how to log in it. Maybe let's select PIN code, so whatever you want. Okay. Also you can allow or do not allow basically to reset with your Samsung like email. So again, most secure way is if you click do not allow, but obviously if you forgot your, for example, PIN code, there is no way how to recover it otherwise. So also, yeah, if you want basically them run in the background as well, any apps that you install there. Okay, and then you see you have the secure folder. So if you're wondering where is the secure folder located, so you see if you swipe up, basically it gets placed in your app list here. Okay, and also basically if you want to hide it from app list, you can also click these three dots and click hide secure folder, and then you'll be able to access it again by going in the settings, secure folder, and enabling essentially. So yeah, this is how you also hide it. So in the secure folder, you see you can, for example, like store some special contacts that you do not want maybe in your main list. Also, you can even like install, if you click this plus button here, install additional applications. So even like a second copy, or again, any secret apps that you do not want anyone to see. So again, you can download from Play Store, also Galaxy Store. So simply click those, and you will be able to install them, and also files, and also you can even use your camera as well in this. So in the special mode essentially, so you see if you take like a picture here, if you go back in my files, this picture will be only visible in this like secure folder gallery. Also, if you want to move files such as pictures, videos to this new secure folder, you can go in your main gallery and, for example, select the pictures or videos you want to move and click this more tab here and click move to secure folder. You see they will disappear from your main gallery here, and they got moved to that secure folder here. If we check, so you see you have those that I just moved here, and that's about it really. So very easy kind. If you want to delete it, so again, security and privacy, secure folder. So you see also you can change various settings, but yeah, if you want to get rid of it, go in more settings, uninstall. Also you can move out or keep the files. So yep, just as you want, and you see the secure folder now is gone completely. Okay, good luck.